Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power windows, cargo area light, trip odometer, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.